In this video, let me show you the way that you can download the Omegle app. If you're also trying to use Omegle on your phone, then make sure you stick till the end. Now there's no separate application within the Play Store or the App Store called Omegle from where you can download it. Omegle is only available on the website, but however I'm going to show you a way that you can add in the Omegle website as your app on your phone. So what you need to do is open up your web browser, search for omegle.com on the search bar of your web browser, and once the app opens up, you can tap on the three dots on the top right, and here you'll have an option called Add to Home Screen. If you tap on it, you can name this anything you want and tap on Add. Now a shortcut of this website will be added to your home screen on your phone. And whenever you tap on this application or this shortcut, the Omegle website or the Omegle will instantly open up, and this is pretty much same as using the mobile app. You do not have to open up your web browser every time and visit the website. You can just tap on this shortcut and you'll be taken to the interface of Omegle. So that is the way that you can download the Omegle app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we upload. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.